Being Muslim in post-9/11 America isn't always easy. It's especially challenging for Americans who have converted to Islam. They face puzzled family and friends and sometimes hostile responses from their communities. Todd Gallinger is a California attorney and recent convert. Family members accepted his choice, but his marriage broke up and friends stopped calling.
I've actually received death threats and had people call me a terrorist or a terrorist lawyer.
The harshest response came when he ran for local office.
They actually sent out a mailer that had a picture of a Hamas rally on it with, a guy wearing a keffiyeh shooting an AK-47 into the air, and that, associating that with me with my picture on there too.
According to the Pew Research Center, 20% of Muslims in the U.S. say they are converts.
It's estimated that nationwide about 20,000 Americans convert to Islam every year.
For Chantel Cummings, Islam lay at the end of a long spiritual journey.
I was just aggressively seeking any kind of knowledge that I could. When I got my English translation of the Quran and I started reading it, it was amazing. I just thought, wow, this is how I feel and how I think and how I want my life.
The divorced mother of two says she has also gotten dirty looks and hurtful comments since her conversion, but says most people are simply curious.
I try very hard to give a really positive impression. I'm not out to convert anybody, but I really like to help people that have the wrong information.
Many converts say they even face suspicion from other Muslims, some of whom suggest they may be spying for the authorities. Still, for converts like Roy Bradshaw, who grew up in a conservative Christian household, this deeply personal decision has provided the peace of mind that eluded him for a lifetime.
I think in my heart I've always been a Muslim. I think my fitra inside my heart, that the things that drive me were Islamic from the beginning.
Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Mission Viejo, California.